Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make some smashed potatoes, and this is a bag of gold potatoes, same as Yukon Gold, and I'm gonna make it in an Instapot. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using: coconut milk, Himalayan salt, pepper, and some butter. I gotta tell you that this bag has been sitting around for a while, so it's got these little things growing, so all you gotta do is just peel them away. The potato is still good, just peel that stuff away. Because I'm going to leave the skin on, you need to wash your potatoes. Even though it's organic, I'm still going to wash it anyway. If you feel like you need to get in there and scrub it with a little brush, go ahead and do that also. Okay, so in the pot I have a little bit of water at the bottom. We're not going to put anything else in here but the potatoes, because after they're done I'm going to put it in a bowl and then add the other ingredients and mix it all together. Okay, so let's put this lid on, and we're going to put it to vent, put it on manual, and set it for 8 minutes. So I let it sit for 12 minutes because I wanted the pressure to naturally reduce itself. Now I want to add in the rest of my ingredients. So this is 3 tablespoons of butter. If you want your potatoes more creamier, add more butter. And I got about 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Put a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. So we're going to smash this up. We're not going to mash it all the way creamy, but we just want to mash it so it still has some type of firm texture to it. So that's all I want to do. I don't want to go overboard and make it into mashed potatoes. It's just smashed, if you understand what that means. Okay, so anyway, this is it. This is what it looks like. So also, if you want your mashed potatoes to have that little garlic taste, you can use a little bit of garlic powder and sprinkle it in there, or you can grate a small clove of garlic and add that in there for a little bit of a garlic flavor. Let me know if you try this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.